Hello, good evening. I welcome all of you, those who are attending in my BDD Cucumber Framework tutorial series. Today we are going to start the second series of video tutorial on BDD Cucumber. Alright, so in the last video tutorial, what we did, we already discussed what is BDD, why it is necessary, why we are using BDD Cucumber, what are feature file, what are step definition file, what are gherkin, what are glue code, all these things, right? Today we are going to see how we can prepare our test environment. So we are learning BDD Cucumber in 7 steps. 7 steps. This is going to be the second step of our tutorial series. Okay, fine. Now some of you were telling me that the video has become very slow in speed. What you can do, if you want to, say for example, watch this video, BDD Cucumber Framework in 7 steps, just click here, and if you want in some speedy mode, just go to here and playback speed, click here, and what you can do, you can set it up. How? You can click here and then go to 1.25, or you can play in little more speedy mode, setting it up to 1.5. okay, and if you go to this channel, you will find boot camps and training services. If you click here, it will navigate to the website SDET Job Ready training program, sdetjobready.com, and you can find our services. Okay, SDET training, and you can find pricing here. Those who are not involved in software testers community, you can just click here and sign up and start learning software testing for free, joining UTest. Okay, and you can start working, you can learn at the same time, you can earn from anywhere in the world. Okay, now let's go back to BDD Cucumber, and one thing I want to show you. And if you click on my Patreon, it will take you to my Patreon. Okay, and you can start learning whatever you want from here. Okay, and one more thing I can show you. If you love our video tutorials, what you can do, if you want to contribute, just click here and it will take you to the PayPal donation option. You can pay $1, $200, or whatever, and pay by card or pay by PayPal. Okay, then we are designing and developing a course on BDD Cucumber step by step, and we will complete it in 14 video tutorial series. And we are offering free video tutorials up to the fundamentals of BDD Cucumber from tutorial 1 to 7. And we have developed a course on BDD Cucumber in 7 steps, and we have written an ebook with 14 video tutorials. If you want to get it, what you can do, you can just email us and we can deliver it via email with the whole ebook on BDD Cucumber. Okay, and you can even go through the book and watch the video tutorials and practice yourselves. Okay, now let's go to second step of the video tutorial. Where are we? What is BDD Cucumber? We already discussed it. Why BDD Cucumber is used, and we also talked about the feature file. We also discussed about step definitions, and we already come to know what is glue code, what is a JUnit test runner, all these things. And in the step 1, we have created a Maven project, and we know what is Maven. Maven is a build management tool that helps us to create the project folder structures very easily, and we can manage the necessary dependencies to manage our project. Okay, now in the second steps, what we are going to do, we are going to prepare the test environment and prepare and configure test environment with necessary dependencies from MVN repository in pom.xml file. Okay, so to do it, just we can see how does look like the pom.xml file. Okay, and these are the dependencies, necessary dependencies that we have to copy and paste and save it, and automatically all the jar files will be downloaded into our project. Okay, now let's go to Eclipse IDE, double click on it, open it, and it might take a couple of seconds, maybe 10 to 15 seconds, and we have to wait until it is open. All right, it's taking more time than usual, but I'm sure it will not take more than 15 seconds, I guess. Okay, now while opening the Eclipse IDE, let's go to Notepad. I think I saved somewhere the dependencies. What we can do, let's go to MVN repository, and we have to take all necessary dependencies from here. Okay, I will show you one or two how we can find the necessary dependencies and copy paste into pom.xml file, and how we can prepare the environment. Okay, if you let's launch it. Okay, it might take a couple of seconds more. Okay, and it's open. We know this one is our project, BDD Cucumber tutorial. This is our project folder structures. Okay, if we click on Maven dependencies, we see there is only one jar file, that is JUnit. Okay, and here it is. Okay, here is JUnit. Then we have to bring some other necessary dependencies from MVN. Let's see what are the dependencies we will need it. Okay, uh, these are the dependencies we are going to use. One is JUnit that we have already, and we are going to bring this cucumber core. I just copy the name and go to the Maven repository, just paste here and press on enter, and you see cucumber JVM core is right here. We are using info.cux. Okay, click here, and 1.2.5 here is the dependency. Right button click, I just copy it and take it to the pom.xml file. Okay, and thus we can also bring other dependencies and put inside in between dependencies. Okay, so this is closing tag of dependencies, and we have also opening tag right here, dependencies. Okay, so in between dependencies we have to put all the necessary dependencies. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I just copy all the necessary dependencies. I have shown you how we can bring it, right? One more I want to show you. Say for example, I want cucumber Java dependency. Again, I'll go to MVN repository and write cucumber dash Java. Okay, hit the enter, and cucumber Java. Okay, Java infocux. I'm taking infocux. Then take 1.2.5. Again, I just copy it. Okay, then go to the project and I just paste it here. Same way I will bring all the dependencies, necessary dependencies from MVN repository. Okay, now I'm just copying it. Okay, but if you want it, I can show you one by one. I will also bring cucumber JUnit. Okay, go to MVN repository here, write cucumber JUnit, infocux. Okay, and right click here, take it, copy and paste it. Okay, thus we can copy and paste here one by one necessary jar files. Okay, now to save our time, I'm not doing it anymore. What I'm going to do is just copy this. Okay, and paste it into our project pom.xml. Okay, now I'm just copying it and just pasting one by one. Then this one, copy and paste. Once again, we are almost done. I guess this is the last dependency, that is guava. Okay, right here. Okay, now if you see, we are using, I think, 9 or 10 dependencies. One is cucumber core, is already there, cucumber core. Another one is cucumber java. Then the other one is cucumber JUnit. Look very carefully, one is JUnit and this one is cucumber JUnit. Then cucumber JVM depths means dependencies. Another one is cucumber reporting. To create reports, we need cucumber reporting too. And another one is Gherkin, Mockito all, and Kubatura. Finally, Selenium Java. Actually, we have one more, that is Guava. Okay, now just Control S. I press Control S and see the building workspace is going on, and see Maven dependencies. We had only JUnit jar, and now we have all the necessary jars has been imported into our project automatically when we brought the necessary dependencies into our project. And just when press Ctrl S means when I save, automatically all these jars have been downloaded and imported into the project. Okay, now if you run it, okay, I check BDD Cucumber tutorial in English, clean it. When I will run it, if the build is success, okay, I can build, or I can even Maven test. Okay, and we will find if it has become success, then it's okay. See, build is success, so our environment is ready, okay, to go ahead. Thus we can prepare our environment where we can now go for step 3 and create our BDD Cucumber framework from scratch. Okay, that's all for today. Those who are interested to learn more about BDD Cucumber framework other than this 7 steps, if you want to learn advanced level of BDD Cucumber framework, then don't forget to place order for the ebook that is on BDD Cucumber with 14 video tutorial series from 1 to 14. Okay, if you want it, we are ready to send it, deliver it via Gmail. Okay, what you can do, just, this is our project. What you can do, just send an email, we test@gmail.com. okay, we are going to keep the prices $199, but those who will order before 15 of this month, before 15 June, okay, we will charge just $49, okay, just $49. If you really want to have it, just go to YouTube channel SDET Job Ready, School of Coding and Testing. Just click here and you can place order just contributing $49 before 14 June 2019. Okay, after 14 June we will be charging $199. all right, so stay tuned until we meet for step 3 and what we are going to do in step 3. In step 3 we are working with the feature files. Okay, create feature folder, then inside the feature folder we will be creating a feature file with .feature extension, then write feature of the application to be tested, okay, and then write the scenario in Gherkin syntax, given, when, and then. Okay, see you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much for watching our video tutorials. See you.